Hello everyone! In this video we will show the features and the configuration of an Odoo Module Password Manager, which was created by faOtools. Password Manager allows you to organize safe password keeping and maintain an efficient storage structure. An innovative single-view interface makes it easy to maintain and update passwords. A password bundle is a set of passwords combined by a functional area or a group of people that have the access to these passwords. You can create a password vault for the sales team, product managers, technical workers, or any other user group. Anyone can create a bundle for oneself or several employees. While creating a vault, you can also manage a user's access rights and assign a person to update passwords. The creator of a bundle is always the administrator of it and has access to all its passwords. So to create a bundle, let's open the Password Manager app and click Create. Then let's introduce the title. For example, let it be HR. Now we need to manage access levels. For that, let's add some users. For example, Abigail Peterson with read-only access, and maybe Anita Oliver with full rights. And let's assign one more person, Doris Cole, to be the administrator. She will also be responsible one for passwords update. If you want to delete a user, just click on a bin by it. Also, we can specify how many days the passwords in the vault will be valid. After that, the responsible for passwords update user should change them. For example, let it be 30 days. Also, let's open the Extra Security tab. We can assign an extra password to open the bundle. So let's do it. The password is going to be an easy one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we can also add some notes. For example, the bundle for HR department. After that, let's click Save. To edit an existing vault, click on three dots in the right top corner and choose Edit. Here you can also choose the vault's color for convenient navigation. Also, you can open passwords from all bundles. In this case, if some bundles are protected with extra passwords, the system will ask you to enter all of them. To see all the passwords and their text, just click All Passwords in the interface's header. Now let's create a password in our HR Passwords bundle. To create a password, open the bundle and click Create. In the Passwords bundle, you can create as many passwords as you need. There aren't any mandatory fields, so if you don't need some fields or don't have an opportunity to fill them all, then you can fill only the ones that you want or really need. For example, if you use an email to sign in and not a username or a phone number, then you can leave these fields empty. So let's write the title of our password. For example, Gmail. Let's choose or add some tags. It will help to find this password very fast. Then choose or create the type of the password. It's available only if you have Password Manager custom fields installed in your Odoo. Then let's write the username that we use on the site. You can type your password if you already registered and have it, or you can generate it automatically by clicking on the arrow icon on the right in the password field. Let's generate the password automatically. We can also choose the length and the contents of the password. As you choose it, click Generate Password. Optionally, you can add a URL of the site, an email, and the phone number used on it. You can also add a partner if you want the password to be connected to a contact. Tick the box No update required if you don't want to generate an activity to change this password, if you enable the notifications in the bundle settings. If you remove the tick from the box Active, then the password will be archived and hidden. You can also write your notes or attach a file if you want. So we created a password, let's click Save. As you create a password, its strength is automatically calculated in real time. The strongest passwords get 4 stars, the weakest get 1 star. This allows users to see the security issues and cope with them. So if we see an issue, we can edit a password. To edit it, just click on the password that you want to edit and click on the password's title on the right side of the interface. Change anything the way you like and click Save. The innovative single view interface is implemented in the Password Manager. This allows you to manage passwords and tags, copy credentials from the same interface without opening the passwords form. And when you open a passwords bundle and click on a password, you see that the interface is divided into 3 parts. The main part with passwords in the middle and 2 functional parts with sets of control elements on the side of it. The first functional part provides you with the opportunity to sort passwords according to various criteria. Select all found passwords, add tags, and show all passwords by tags. You can sort passwords by name, creator, partner, create date, and by write date. Just choose an option, and you can click on the double arrows to see the reversed sorting. If you click on the Select All Found button, you will see the details of these passwords in the third functional part of the interface. To reset your choice, click on the icon by selected passwords. To organize passwords, you can create some tags. To add a tag, just click Add a new tag and write the title. To edit, archive, or delete tags, click on them with the right side of the mouse. You can simply move tags by drag and drop. Tags support hierarchy. In this case, if you'll put a tick by the parent tag, you will see the passwords from all tags that it includes. You can manage all available tags from password bundles and create new tags by going to Configuration Tags. The main part shows password cards when you can see the password's titles, tags, the linked contacts if any, and the password strength. Here you can add a password to favorites and remove it from favorites to find the most important passwords quickly. Also, here you see if an update is required. When you choose several passwords and then open another tag, your choice will not be reset. The third functional part is the one on the right side, appears as you click on a password card. Here you see the usernames, passwords, and URLs of all chosen passwords. You can easily copy them from here by clicking on the Copy button. Click on the eye to see the password. Click on the Open in a New tab icon to be redirected to the site that is written on the passwords card. Here is google.com. On the third functional part, there are some sections that you can apply to all selected passwords. Just click on any. For example, let's click Update Partner. Here we can add a partner, Anita Oliver, to all chosen passwords. Now we can see her on the passwords card. It's possible to edit the list of mass actions for extra convenience. To edit mass actions, go to Configuration, Settings, scroll to Mass Actions. Here you can add actions and delete ones you don't need. Drag and drop to choose the sequence of mass actions. Don't forget to click Save. The Password Manager app has a built-in password generator. It's possible to generate passwords based on chosen length and requirements. In the settings, you can choose to generate passwords automatically as soon as you open the Passwords Creating Wizard. There, you can also set the default password length and contents. Or you can do it manually each time you open the Password Creating Wizard. To generate passwords automatically, open Password Manager app, go to Configuration and click Settings. Then find the section Password Manager Options and put a tick by Generate Passwords on Create. Choose the default length for generated passwords and the default requirements. For example, all digits and upper and lower case letters. Don't forget to save. As a result, you get an automatically generated password that is evaluated in real time. You can set any default length for generated passwords. You can always change it manually in the password wizard, depending on the site's password requirements. Here is our automatically generated password. It is added as soon as we clicked Create. All internal users can open the Password Manager app, but they see only the passwords to which they have access rights. Only people that are mentioned in the bundle settings have the right to see the bundle. There are three types of access rights. Admin rights, so the person will be able to change the app settings, create, edit, and delete passwords. Then full rights. The person can't change the settings of the app but has access to all passwords. And read-only access. Can only see passwords to which the access is given, can't edit or delete them. The creator of a bundle is always the administrator of it. It is also possible to give an access to a group of users. For example, to the sales team. In this case, all users that are in the sales team will have the access to the passwords bundle. If a person belongs to at least one group of users that has the access to the password bundle, then he or she also has the access to it. When you create a password, you can link it to a contact that it belongs to. This will allow you to search all passwords of the user. Also, you can open all the contact's passwords from the contact's profile. There are two ways to link a contact. The first way is to start editing a password and choose a partner in the field Partner. Then click Save. Also, you can choose several passwords cards and click Update Partner. Then the new partner will be assigned to all of these passwords. To find all passwords linked to a contact, go to Contacts and choose a partner. For example, let's choose DecoAddict. Click More and Passwords. After that, you will be redirected to the Password Manager app and will see all the passwords of DecoAddict. The tool introduces a few security layers to minimize the possibility of data leaks. All passwords are symmetrically encrypted. It means that to decrypt a password, plotters should know the exact decryption algorithm and the vault decryption key. You can add an extra password to a password bundle. For example, let's add a password to the bundle Sales. For that, we need to open the Extra Security tab, put a tick by extra passwords to open this bundle, and type a password. For example, let it be from 1 to 7. And don't forget to confirm it. Also, you can specify the max session length in minutes. So during this period of time, these passwords will be available for you. And then you will have to type your password again. The minimum time is 3 minutes. For extra security, you can set the app to tell you when it's high time to change passwords. This way, every chosen period of time, the app will generate an activity that there is a necessity to change a password. You can set this activity to all valid passwords or only to the most important ones. So to set the activities, you need to assign responsible user or user group. For example, let it be Mitchell Admin. Then set the period of time after which the passwords require an update. For example, 30 days. And then click Save. To exclude passwords from notifying about, just open it or start creating a password and tick the box No update required. Then this password will not require the update. The module Password Manager has an add-on, Password Manager Custom Fields. It's an optional module that allows you to add an extra field to the form of the password. The tool also introduces complementary passwords typology. You can show fields for passwords only of specific types and do not show for others. Custom password fields might be imported and exported. The rights to create custom fields belong only to Odoo administrators. To add a new type of password, go to Configuration, click Password Types. Click Create and write the type that you need. For example, let it be important and let's click Save. Now we need to add a custom field. Go to Configuration, Custom Password Fields. Click Create. Choose the field label, for example, New Field. Then choose the type of the field, for example, let's choose simple text. And let's assign the type. Our type was important. Let's assign it. Then let's choose backend form view placement. Custom tab. Also, we can make fill in this field mandatory. For that, put a tick by required to enter value. If we remove the tick from field active, then this custom field will be archived. Click Save. Now we need to refresh the page and we can create a password with this custom field. So let's click Create and choose the type of the password, important. Let's open Custom tab. Here is our field. We can write simple text here. I hope this video will be useful for you. Feel free to contact us to try the module in the demo instance.